I'll have what she's having. Bartender, pour me another one. This is a must-have painting for anyone who loves wine. It would be a great gift, but for me, it's actually a good one for my dining room. I totally love wine. And I personalized it too, so how cool. We're gonna have fun personalizing our own wine. Ooh. And if you haven't painted in a million years, don't worry. This one is on the hard, easy scale. So it is a little hard, but it's not one of my hardest ones. Actually, this is like a step up from beginner. So if you painted once or twice, you're gonna have no problem painting this one. It's gonna be super straightforward and easy. I'm gonna break it down to like shapes like circles, ovals, lines. It's gonna be straightforward and it's gonna look so cute on your wall. Or this is a good gift for somebody. I mean, I know if somebody gave me this painting, I would love it. It would be totally cute on my wall. What a great thing for a winery, right? To have this up on the wall. Yeah, you need to paint this one. So go get your stuff and let's get started.